Folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. We're going to take up the FREEWING F-35 70mm, and I have installed the FREEWING afterburner. Now this is the one they normally have reserved for the 80mm or higher, but if you get the universal kit and use one of the brackets they have, you'll find one that will fit the 70mm motor. No problem. And I have no problem with airflow or exhaust. Also, because of the way the afterburner sits, I can see it down the intake tubes as it's coming at me, which helps with my orientation. All right. Now this is a high alpha landing plane. Right, left, up, down, right, left. I'm flying in my high rates, which for me are 60%, over 20% expo. All right, I'm gonna turn around here. Now I'm just hoping we can see this little plane. Here we go.
Gear up.
We're on a 4,000 Sokokin.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
I'm gonna take her up. 3, 2, 1. That's pretty much it right there. Where does it glide now? Back in some power. Take her up. 1, 2, 3. Trust your airframe.
Gear down. Braking.
I hit the brakes.
Brakes off. Time remaining 2.
That's okay. I got something for them ants. I got something for them. All right, watch this.
Braking.
Hey, you got brakes on that thing.
Brakes off.
That's what I think of the anthill.
Well, you got half of it gone. Check that thing down.
Gear up. Gear down.
Here we go.
Brakes off. Time remaining 1 minute.
All right, we got enough in us for one more. Here we go.
Gear up.
Up.
30 seconds. Gear down.
Gears down.
20 seconds.
Send me a text, I'll let you know. I gotta talk to Rose. Make sure I don't chase me. I know I can't. I told her I couldn't fly.
Brakes.
Almost didn't get it.
Brakes on. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
All right.
4, 3. Prop secured.
Now, let's see how many bugs we got inside the... We flew for 3 minutes and 38 seconds. Checkers on the back of the transmitter. Thank you, one of my viewers. No bugs inside here. Unplug my afterburner. Still got 40% left. Shoot, not a problem at all. Even with the ant blowout there. All right, real quick, let's do a quick landing gear test because that was kind of rough. Everything feels good and secure. Oh yeah, I tell you folks, the FREEWING F-35 70mm E-Flight, y'all missed the boat. Y'all should have made one of these because FREEWING's got you beat. All right, y'all have a good and don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. Oh, and just so you know, let me show you my rates. Oh, I already told you my rates, 60/20. Y'all have a good and don't forget, family and friends, and then jets. Bye-bye.